This website I'm going to show you will pay you money when you read email, this type of money. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up on this particular website. I'm going to show you the registration process, and I'm also going to walk you through how you are going to go by clicking each daily task for you to get paid. And in this same video, we are going to see how much earnings we make per click in this same video. This video is very direct for you to see how you can make money reading emails. Now, if you are excited about this video, make sure you follow me from the beginning to the ending of this video so that you can learn how to operate this website. Now, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you hit the bell notification for more updates while we head down on my screen, and let me show you this website right now. Let's go there. The name of the website is Volutic, and with Volutic you can earn money by reading. Which you need to activate again once you are being sent your Volutic activation link, is to see that you'll be able to get your daily task. this advert, it says okay, our percentage has been up to 100. It says click or touch the graph. Let's see, this is the graph right here. Let me click it, then I click send. You just have to obey what you have been told to do. You have been credited successfully for this activity, 0.0015 for this ad. Now let's see, I was having 0.0015 before. Let's refresh now. It's going to add up to this. Now you can see I'm having $0.0030. As you can see, yes, I have my first earning here and I have my second earning here. Now let's go to another a sure site for to get paid. 95, 97, 100%. You can see click or touch the envelope. This is the envelope right here. Click send and you can see you have been credited successfully for this activity, 0.05. Now let's head down there and see our balance, 0.0075. and if you continue doing this tasks daily, you continue accomplishing your tasks that are being given to you daily in your email. I still have 2 left, but for the sake of this video, not to get extra longer, I'll have to leave that part now. But the aim of this task right now is for you to be active in every email list that are being given to you daily, for you to click as simple as ABC. The tasks are very simple. All you need to shift your mouse and click and you get paid by just reading email from Volutic. And right now, let me navigate around the dashboard. This is my referral link. You can use it to refer people to join under you. And this is, let's go to the transfer section. Let me see what it have to do. You can transfer your money to your main balance when you are ready to withdraw. This is your commission section. This is another section called the purchase section. Let me see withdraw. Let's head down to withdraw section of commission. Yeah, the withdrawal section, they pay through payer and they have the main. Okay, yes, through Payer. Payer is a platform which you can use to receive money from Volutic. Right now, maybe some as the platform goes older and advanced, maybe they might include PayPal, which I don't know right now. But right now, the only method of payment is through Payer. So as you can see right now, you can see your leaderboard over there. You can see the top 10 earners in the leaderboards. Look at them, they are making a huge amount of cash. India, the top 10 countries that are performing on Volutic: India, Nigeria, Pakistan, United States. Top 10 referral, look at them, the top 10 earning commission. So this is a platform for you to leverage on and earn money while reading emails, as simple as possible. And if you find any value in this video that I've just shared, make sure you like this video, make sure you comment under if you have any issue, and make sure you hit the bell notification. Keep it on for more updates on any video I'm dropping. You'll be the first to get it. Now on this, I say goodbye.